Well, the problem in this particular instance is an unfortunate thought on the part of the occupants of the house. They could save money by blocking the vent from the gas heater. Many people think that they lose heat going up the vent, when in actual fact the vent is made to carry off burning gases, particularly carbon monoxide. In this case, somebody had inserted a tin can into the vent, partially blocking it, and thus converting this gas heater from a normal heating appliance into a generator of carbon monoxide that killed everybody in the house.